Hey guys, Roshan from Camille Beckman here. Today we're going to be learning how to clean and disinfect a wound naturally. For the sake of this tutorial, we've brought in a makeup artist so that we didn't have to cut anybody in order to make this happen.
Hi, I'm Bria Lee Nelson and I'm a makeup artist with Barron's Artistry.
First, we're going to clean the wound. In order to do this, we're going to wash it with either a 50-50 dilution of water to vinegar, or we can just use apple cider vinegar on its own. You're going to place the wound over the sink and gently pour the apple cider vinegar or your dilution over it in order to keep it clean and start killing the bacteria in the wound. Next, you're going to use garlic in order to help kill bacteria and pathogens that could infect the wound. In order to do this, you're going to take the garlic and you're going to split it directly over the wound and immediately press it into the wound. This might sting a little bit. You're going to hold that there for 1 to 5 minutes, depending on how intense the wound is and how much you're willing to resist the pain. Next, we're going to use an ointment to help protect and start healing the wound. I like to use one of two things. If it's a simple wound, you can use the Mom and Baby Balm from Camille Beckman. Simply open the stick and glide it on the wound. If it's a more intense wound, I recommend using Complete Tissue and Bone by Dr. Christopher's Original Formulas. Last, you'll want to put your Band-Aid on the wound. If it's not too bad, you can just leave it open in the air to breathe and it'll heal a lot faster. If it's a more intense wound, you'll want to use a little bit of gauze. Simply put it down on the wound and use medical safety tape in order to tape it up. Thanks for joining us for this tutorial today. If you like this content, you can feel free to subscribe to our channel and comment below letting us know what other content you'd like to see from us in the future or what questions you have.